So cameras are the first thing that comes into our mind if we are just starting a YouTube channel. So which camera is best for us for a beginner or if we're just starting out? So I have picked out cameras for you. So the first one is so the first camera in our list is Insta Ace 360 Pro. So this camera is one of the best camera. Plus it is an action camera. It will cost you around 30,000 rupees, decent price. And this camera is best because you can also flip the screen to see which angle is best for your footages. I mean, it's a good camera. It's a rough and tough camera because it's an action camera. So the second one in our list is Sony's camera, Sony digital camera 1M2. So this camera is best camera out there if you're just starting out, because first of all it's made from Sony, so the camera is obviously better. The quality of the camera provided by Sony is really the best. Plus it comes around 80,000 rupees, so it is best. Obviously if you are getting your money's worth, then it's the best thing. And plus this is a DSLR, so if you want a studio level footages, and DSLR are the best, you know it already. So go with this if you're just starting out or beginning to start and you want a studio level footages, then Sony ZV 1 and 2 is the best for you. So the third thing I want to tell you is, if you already have a phone and you don't want to spend money on any other camera stuff, then it's okay, because if your phone is recording on 4K 60 fps or 1080p at 60 fps, then it's fine, because not many people are watching in 4K. So if your phone records at that resolution, then it's okay. But if you want to buy a new phone for YouTube purpose, then go with the Samsung Galaxy S21 FE, because this phone costs you around 40,000 rupees, and it is best because the selfie camera is also at the resolution of 4K at 60 fps. Plus if you are going to be you know willing to edit your videos on your phone, then you need a better phone for that. So go with the IQ Neo 9 Pro, because you can do heavy stuff on it. Plus the cameras are really nice. Now if you have spent lot of money on your camera, and if you are just looking for a microphone to get by but also produce a better result, then go with the Boya M1 mic. So this is one of the great mic out there. It works with your phone as well as with your camera DSLRs. So you just have to plug it in, and yeah, it's a 20 feet cable from camera. So if you attach it, it's 20 feet, and it will cost you around 800 rupees, which is again really a good thing, because it will cost you around under 1000 rupees. So it's great for that, and it's for budget people. So if you're looking for something in your budget, then this Boya M1 is also good, because it will also provide you with better results. Obviously we're going to match the results of Poland and Yeti, but it will still produce a lot better sound than your cameras or your phone if you're not using any of the mics. So Boya is one of the best. Under 1000 rupees is Blue Yeti USB microphone. It is the best microphone out there for a studio quality results. So this microphone will cost you around 10,000 rupees. It is best for solo person or who want a studio quality results. This is best for sharp and choppy sounds. Moving on to the second one. So the second one in our list is the wireless microphone. It is an Holland Lurk M1 microphone. So this is best for interviews, or if you want a transmitter receiver thing. So this works best for that, and plus it's a wireless earphone you can carry around anywhere, so you don't have to worry about the wire. So that's for your interviews and the purposes. If you roaming around here and there, for vloggers also, this is the best, the whole end microphone, and it will cost you around 10,200. So yeah, the costs are similar, but this is for only the purpose of if you're not in your studio when you want to roam around, and for that purpose it's really good. But if you are in your studio, this also works fine, so I will recommend this rather than the previous one. Yeah. The third thing that you need to buy for your YouTube channel is lighting. lighting are the most important part of your YouTube videos, because even if you're recording with your phone, the lighting makes all the difference. So even if you're recording with the camera and the lighting is poor, the whole footage is bad. So the first light that I'm going to recommend you is the Digitech DFBH 055. It is a box light which will help you record better footages. It will give you studio level of lighting, and just buy two of them. This is one of the best thing out there. Plus it's not that high priced. It costs you around 2000 rupees, so you can easily buy two of them and get a studio level of footage, studio level of lighting. This is the one of the best out there. But we also have the second one in our list. So next one is Android lighting kit. So it also comes with a collar mic, which is best, and it will cost you around 3600 rupees. Just buy one of it and you will be good enough for a studio quality light. Yeah. So let's move on to the next one. So now the most important thing that you need to buy for your studio is a tripod. Tripod is the most essential thing that you can buy to get a proper angle and frame. So for that I have picked a tripod for you, which is the Digitech DTR 500, which is an amazing tripod. If you use it, it is an 67 inches of tripod. You can, pull it out and do whatever stuff you want it. So it is adjustable also. Works with both cameras as well as for phones, but you need to buy a phone holder separately. Costs you around 7000 rupees, which is good. I mean, it's good enough. So if you want something like a gimbal and the stabilizer, go with the DJI gimbal, because it is one of the best. And if you're willing to buy it for your cameras, then it is one of the best thing that you can do, because it can also track your movement and your face if you set it to your face. Now you need something to edit your videos. So if you're going to do it on your phone, that's fine. That really works. Do it with KineMaster, CapCut, VN Video Editor. Lot of them are out there. But if you want a cinematic video for your channel and you want a studio level quality, obviously you have to go for the laptop. So which laptop are best for your work? So if you're willing to spend, quite fairly for that, if you are willing to spend around 80 to 75,000, go with the MacBook Air, because it is the best out there if you are looking for productivity, as well as if you are looking for video editing. Go with the MacBook Air. And if your budget allows, go with the MacBook Pro, because MacBook Air will cost you around 75,000 and MacBook Pro will cost you around 1 lakh rupees. So it's up to you. But if you are looking for something in Windows, then go with the Dell G15, because it is one of the great out there, as I am also using it. It has the 12th generation, as well as it is having 3050 RTX, which is good, and it's pretty much doing everything. And if you want like more in depth, like which Windows laptop will be best for you under 50 to 60k, then I have made a different video on that. You can check that out. You will get to know different laptops and which benefits you more. So that about the laptop, and that cuts it. Now let's move on to the last thing. So the last thing is accessories. You need to have these accessories. Making your own studio, you need to have a hard disk. But if you want a transfer speed, higher transfer speed, then you need to switch to SSD. So that works for you, because it will be having a higher transfer speed. Now you need to have a green screen, because green screen is the best thing that you can buy out there. It will really help you remove the background. Now the last thing that I'm going to recommend is extra camera batteries, because you can run out of camera batteries a lot of time. So if you have those extra batteries, it will be helpful and it won't be frustrating. And if you're using a phone, go with the power bank. It will be really helpful if you have a power bank with you. That's good thing. Now to all my friends out there who don't want a studio, who just want to start the YouTube channel, and after they have gained some of the revenue from YouTube, then they want to invest in these things. You can have a sunlight, yeah. Just use that sunlight and your phone to record your footages. And if you don't want to use a mic, just use a Bluetooth earphone. That also works. Or sit right in front of your camera so it can catch your voice easily. So yeah, that's all about the video. I think I have covered everything for everyone, and I hope you like this video. It will be very informative if you watched it till the end. So make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon, because more stuff is coming out.
and I am sure you are not ready for that.